3 DPS, I think. Yeah, 3 DPS. They're missing one. What's the one? Oh. Okay. Just use safety wall. Yeah, safety wall.
Naka-hide.
Safety wall
safety
and
wall.
Kyrie. Spam it. Then slow.
Which way are we going? Which way are we going?
You go right.
We go right and lock down Aquarius.
Yep.
Careful. Just spam slow poison always. Safety wall and make sure you slow poison Boyong too. Okay, go right side, guys.
Oops. So guys, going.
Nice one.
Behind.
Of course, stripped. He's stripped.
Nice.
Slow.
Yep, yung warlock sa'yo. Okay. Orb ba? Focus na tayo sa orb. Orb.
Oh, I got teleported.
Focus on orb ba? I'm getting orb. We got...
He's locked. Don't worry about him.
Nice.
I'll hold him there.
I'm going. I'll pull Boyong.
I got Boyong.
We go mid now. Push a little there. Make sure you safety wall and carry for the assassin. Don't chase the ones who getting close, Don't chase it. Let's focus on the DPS. Kill that Jep. Kill that.
Behind you.
Okay. Ang damage nga sa...
Careful. Guardian guns,
Namatay
No,
ako.
it's okay. Don't. It's okay, no.
Ano? Napul na kita.
This guy can't play.
Just block. I remove a green. Don't chase the Guardian.
Aquarius strip. Nice.
Denark is in the middle.
We're chilling. I got watching the warlock.
I remove up green. Yep.
He's coming up.
It's over. Denark middle.
Stripped, yeah.
Guardian gun, so one time.
Wait. Okay, I can strip the guys behind me.
It's okay.
Warlock stripped.
Just a stripper. It's okay.
Yeah.
I guardian you, Chris.
That was okay there.
Just move
Trap
forward.
lang.
All DPS, just move forward. It's okay. It's only a DPS. Trap. Strip.
Bow. come here.
Warlock. Careful, Aquarius.
He's behind me.
Aquarius stripped. Yeah.
Bow.
Oh, it's a DPS.
DPS stripper.
Yeah.
Aquarius coming up. Aquarius coming up.
Check your gears,
He's stripped.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, this is a slaughter, man.
It's okay. Just focus.
Yeah, Aquarius strip.
Hindi ko na record, gago.
Then arc middle. It will mag.
Aquarius coming up.
Okay.
God, that's too easy.
Remove.
Strip.
Nice. Nice one.
Nice.
Okay, we focus on the set. Wag damage.
Greg.
Okay. They got Trapper, Assassin. They don't have the PD, the Shadow Chase. So careful, So kay slow poison again. Kyrie and safety wall. Lock down the Warlock. Kayo.
Yep.
Prepare for elite ako.
So, make sure you use your walk or sight.
Naruha pa sa akin. Yan.
Picture mo pa rin siguro. Art? Art, hindi ka.
Yeah, narinig mo ako.
Ayan. Picture mo. Okay. Ready. Go right side, guys. Go inside, inside. Warlock.
Remove Bob, Greg.
Yeah. Sure. Ooh. Coming back. Ako na-charge nila.
The RJ, Focus on orb. I will go to the other side, guys,
Yeah, Fee. Right.
Orb. Getting blue.
Stripping great.
Agad.
Down. Trapper.
Orb.
Great strip.
Second boyong.
Great strip.
Oh,
Orb.
boyong ko.
Shit, walang orb. Okay, go middle. Press,
Oh,
drop boyong.
Drop.
Push Jeff.
Salamat ko.
Jeff,
Warlock is, he can't move. Berserking? Warlock strip.
They drop. Press grab boyong.
Warlock, yeah. Nice.
Green orb. Press
Getting green.
portal ka.
I may orb ako. I'm just waiting for boyong.
Okay. I pull you, press. I win. Okay. Get to
Yeah,
one,
works.
boss boyong.
Warlock strip.
Nice. Careful. The warlock.
I'm coming back.
Guardian Ganso. I need Guardian.
Go around to Warlock.
I got Genso.
Careful on Trapper,
Strip, he's strip.
Guardian.
Pull ako po. Never mind.
MS1 ka, Chris. Spam mo ngayon. Ngayon na. Pull mo si Boyong.
Following Warlock.
Careful. They got Trapper. Don't compress.
Oh, shit. Yeah. I drop.
Okay lang. 5 seconds, boss Boyong.
Yeah. I'm on it.
We need to
Help
go red.
ako.
Go red. Nice Jeff.
Help ako sa red.
Kunin
Help
mo.
ako sa red.
Jeff. Rayo,
I got
the
hope.
warlock. I drop.
Ano pa?
Okay.
Get it. The
Warlock.
blue one.
I deny the warlock.
Following.
Chris, focus.
Coming.
Ako na nga.
I am focusing.
Don't
Let's
just
go.
focus on orb. Dadrop si Boyong. Kunin mo.
Well, there's no orb. Going green.
You need to drop. Be aggressive. You need to drop them.
Wala ko lang.
Warlock strip.
Guardian, please.
Kill mo yung middle. Kill middle.
A guardian.
Kill middle.
Guardian!
Guys, wag ka gumalaw. Laba pat. I drop. Boyong,
Okay.
I drop.
Ganun pala yun. Bakit?
Get the blue.
Hold on.
Right, nasaan ka? Matadrop na yan.
We need to
Gitna.
We need to drop.
Warlock strip.
I drop.
That's okay. You need to drop.
Pagkajan. Nice.
Ito, kumukuha na orb.
They got 3
Asan
orbs,
ka?
guys. They got 3 orbs. We need to drop. Eto.
Yung kumukuha na orb.
Dito.
I'm drop.
Wala bang portal?
Rayo, can you strip the,
Trap.
Yeah. Strip, he's strip. Nice.
They got trap pa.
They drop. Boyong,
Drop
please
ko na.
get the orbs.
Okay, going for red. Boyong green.
I get the, green. I got the green. Careful,
Ay,
laba
dapat
pat,
ako.
press. Laba pat,
Press,
press.
play.
Don't move, press.
Warlock strip. Pagkajan.
Lucio, press.
Pagkajan ako.
5 seconds, white or Boyong, don't move. Shit, they drop. We drop. Baka bantay yung orb sa kabila. Middle. We need middle.
Someone guardian me.
I drop 2. We need
Try
orbs.
and ano
Getting
yan.
yellow.
Yeah.
Art to fake play kita.
Warlock strip.
Oh,
Get it, Boyong. Get it. It's okay, Boyong. Get
na-drop ako.
They got 3 orbs again. We need to drop. Ah, Keiko. Jeff. They drop, Tess. They drop.
I know. Hold on. Which color?
Green. Kunin mo yung green.
Drop,
Kunin mo yung
drop,
green.
drop.
Kunin mo yung green.
I'm drop.
Kunin mo yung green, Chris.
Yeah.
Kunat nung kay ko, boy.
Green, Chris.
Ano ka? Guardian ako, please.
Sige.
Block strip.
Careful
Nice,
boy
nice,
yung
nice.
middle, ah. Careful boy yung middle. Careful, ah. Careful. 2 seconds, get orb. Press, mag-MS1 ka.
Okay.
MS1. Nice. We need to survive. We just need to survive. Go back.
Block
Go
strip.
back.
Block strip.
Points.
Just defend, guys. Just defend.
Guardian.
Defend. Go back. Go back
Have
all.
nice
All
play.
DPS. Even DPS. Go back.
Survive.
Just survive. Nice one.
Nice.
Jump.
Fuck. Ang inang MS1 yan. Ay, MS2 ng Corono.
Yung ano pa.
Okay, mirror
Which
match.
side tayo? Which side?
It's a mirror match, but it's a DPS Sork.
Which side are we on?
Dito.
Are we
Kahit
good?
saan naman yan, basta makita lang sa taas. Pero dito na lang.
Hello? Rinig ba ako?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, ito.
Go here, Chris. Focus on Chisa, Jeff, and Rayo. I'll focus the how for Crysin. Okay.
Lock in, guys. Lock.
Wait, break it out.
Push your call. Sige,
Or-
push your call. I'm drop. Fuck me. Last strip, entries.
Na-remove
Focus,
up
guys.
ako.
Focus.
Oh, shit. Na-TP ako. Nakalimutan ko
Sabay ng
mag-
swamp, ha? Kailangan slow poison.
I got held.
Guardian, Genso. Orb. Ay!
Sabi mo, guard. Sabi mo, Guardian.
Dread.
Guardian ako.
Warlock.
Guardian.
Arcade down.
I get.
Wala ka pa red. Chris, kunin mo yung red. Kunin yung...
I got the roll.
Hindi nakuha yun.
Don't worry. Oh, he's gone.
Okay.
Utang ina, napatay pa.
He got Guardian. He's still there.
I really thought I got it.
First regroup.
Let's dep.
Boyong. Guardian Boyong.
Boyong, where are you? Coming. I got Boyong.
Entries strip.
Let me MS1.
How. Safety wall lang. Safety wall.
Couple.
Safety wall, Chris.
I'm getting controlled. Entries strip. I'm down. Crystal. Check ears.
I think hindi ko naririnig si Boyong. Alam mo magsalita.
Hello?
They hold me. Guardian me, Chris.
Wait, let me go out
Guardian.
first. I got you.
Damang sila, kailangan natin
We
drop.
go left side nga muna. We need to regroup.
I stripped entries.
Watch.
Guardian.
Jeff,
I'm getting controlled.
Oh, the drop.
I'm getting controlled.
We need to get the orb and we go right side. Regroup on the middle, guys.
Tumakbo sa ano.
I'm getting controlled.
They got 3 orbs. We need to drop them.
Right side. Drop muna natin.
Tara na.
Entries strip.
Side
Rayo,
art.
can you go to the right side? Strip the orb holders.
Yeah.
So, ano mo, land pro mo.
Sige.
Likod.
Behind me?
Crystal likod.
Anchus is free, oh.
Crystal down.
I just Lex.
We need to drop. Sa taas ng sa taas. Art.
RG down.
They drop. Go all mid, lahat. Kill the green. All. Go mid.
I'm going for red.
Go
Going.
Go yellow. Boyong.
I'm controlled.
And then going left.
Chris.
Going left.
I have four.
Trying to Guardian Genso. Let's go. Left.
Berserking.
Boyong. We got 3 orbs.
Ikaw na mag-Guardian.
Amon is
Go
here.
left.
Yellow,
Go
the
left.
yellow one. Chris, slow poison, slow poison.
Nasa likod ako. Pag-guardian ako.
Sorry. Chris, attack.
Guardian
Rayo,
again.
the warlock. The warlock.
Yeah, shoot. He shoot. He's controlled.
Parcel on me.
Nice,
Let
nice,
me...
nice.
Arcade down.
Art, Fate Pray kita. Fate Pray on Art.
They teleport
Chase
again. I need the song.
Arcade down.
Just hold.
Bulok,
Ray,
bulok,
just
bulok,
hold
yeah.
on warlock.
Yeah.
I'm going to
Yeah,
the
I got
other
it,
side. I'm getting white orb here. They teleported me. Shit, I will die.
Okay. Oh, no.
I drop.
Down. Check yours.
Parcel's on me. Then I...
We are.
Yes, sabay tayo.
Nalo. Okay.
I'm controlled.
Tulungan si Boyong.
Boyong,
Yeah.
Guardian. I got
Good.
Boyong. Huwag ka malis, Boyong.
Guys, we need depth.
Namanod ako.
Okay, I drop.
Okay, I got it.
SC down.
I got red.
Coming.
Protecting.
Defend. Where's Boyong?
Ano? Basta tayo muna.
Drop. Press. Yellow. Pray.
Going.
Castle down.
Coming number.
Pa-help. Warlock's on me.
Guardian Boyong. Guardian Genso.
Got it. She can't move.
I can't get the yellow. There's too many DPS on the...
Arcade down.
They teleporting me. Guardian mo ko, Chris Boyong. Can you guardian me?
Castle down.
I'm gonna try in Guardian Genso.
They teleported
I
me.
got Genso. Wait.
Dito ako Genso. Genso may SP.
Teka lang.
Sige.
Kailangan ko.
Nalex ko si Anchos ah.
Drop, Chris.
And you shoot. I'm mute.
First, DPS here. We need to clear the orb. Clear the orb first.
Clean na.
Pag-Guardian.
Sino
Nakuha
nakuha?
ba?
Sabay tayo.
Nasa atin. Nakay Chris.
Okay.
Depth.
Surging.
Right
I'm
side.
controlled.
I'm
Ay,
going
shit, they
left.
teleporting me. Just get the white orb, guys. Get the white orb.
I'm going for the white orb ah. Try, help me, Jeff.
Sige, nasa kanan ako.
Tota.
Go.
White orb. Just
I
white
got
orb.
it.
RG down.
One more collect.
Guardian. I drop.
Just hold.
Nice one.
Yes!
Nice one.
Yeah!
Shit. We won, guys.